pool cleaner. Handheld Pilot H1. One button operation. Gives you 60 minutes of runtime. Push this right there, and you got this thing sucking in some major pool debris. This thing is perfect for cleaning your pool. This thing picks up bugs, small twigs, sand, leaves, and other stuff. And you have a sack right here that picks up debris. You also have a finer one right here. You have the charger port right here. Easy to extend this if you want to. You can add an extender to extend the arm. It looks good. We got this filter back here. In front right here, you have this attachment to clean steps and other parts of the pool. This is a handheld pool cleaner that's powerful and easy to use to clean on the go. Easy to open up and maintain right there. Now, if you don't want to use this head right here, you can also pull it out and have a flat head right here. If I put this back on, you can vacuum like this. And again, one button operation. Push this button right there and turn it on, and there we go. That's a pool cleaner right there. Very cool, very powerful pool cleaner. And the same too, in case you open this, it will stop automatically. Cannot turn it on until you put this piece on. So it's safe. Put this piece on by turning it in right here. You see the arrow, and it turns on. Boom, there we go. That's a pool cleaner right there. You attach this extra piece right here. This is attached on. Boom, like that. And that is your AIPER H1 pool cleaner. It's cordless. Oh yeah.